In this video, I will be demonstrating the use of the rectangular pattern tool in a 2D sketch. We begin our sketch by making a rectangle using the rectangle tool and drawing it and dimensioning it. The width should be 4 inches wide and the height should be 3.25 inches. And there's our basic rectangle. We then want to draw a circle down in the lower left corner, and we need 3 dimensions down here. One is a size dimension for the size of the circle, and that is 3/8 inches in diameter, 3/8, and we can type that in there, or you can type in 0.375. And then we need 2 location dimensions, 0.375 from the bottom and 0.375 to the side. So there is our basic sketch in getting started. We now want to use the rectangular pattern tool, and we're going to rectangular pattern the circle across the rectangle and up the rectangle from this lower left corner. Again, the first thing we want to do is highlight the geometry, so we click and drag over the geometry, and then we come back to our rectangular pattern window here and click on the arrow for direction 1. I want to click on the bottom edge and notice the arrow pointing to the right, and I have one other circle there, a total of 2, and I want 7 across there. Notice how when I put in my 7 though, they go all outside of the rectangle. The spacing for this should be 0.5. See how now they pull back in, and I have 7 circles going across the bottom. I also want direction number 2. So I click on the arrow within the window and I click on the edge. Now you notice the green arrow is pointing down and my circles, my row of circles, are outside of my rectangle. So I want to flip the direction. I want to click on this icon. Again, I'm on direction 2, and I click on that icon and it flips the direction that they will be patterned. I want 6 rows in this direction, but again, I also want to be evenly spaced, 0.5 inches. And you see them here. When I am done, I can simply click OK, and there are my 42 circles, exactly the same size, evenly spaced in rows and columns.